Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the developer console in Left 4 Dead 2. Let's get started. First, open Left 4 Dead 2. Click Options. Then open keyboard/mouse. Find Allow Developer Console. Set it to Enabled. Now press the key. If the console opens, you're all set. If it doesn't open, close the game. Open Steam. Go to your library. Right-click Left 4 Dead 2. Then click Properties. In the Launch Options box, type Console. Close the window. Now launch the game again. The console should now open automatically when the game starts. If the console key still doesn't work, open the console. Type the following command. Bind F6 toggle console. Then press Enter. You can replace F6 with any other key you want to use. Now press F6 to open or close the console anytime. That's it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.